Hello, today I will help you understand the voucher flow. First, go to the WooCommerce dashboard and click on All Vouchers. You'll be taken to a page where you can view a list of all available vouchers. Here, I am opening the voucher that will be used to observe the voucher flow. Take a quick look at the voucher details. Now, move to the front end, where you will see the voucher creation process divided into 4 steps. The first step is voucher design selection. From the available designs, choose the one you like and click on the Next button. The second step is filling in the voucher form. The fields shown here are customized from the backend and may include sender and receiver name and email, number of adults and children, voucher price, and a custom message. After filling in the required details, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and click Next. The third step is the overview page. This page displays all the details you entered in the previous step. If everything looks correct, click Next to proceed. If you want to make changes, you can click the back button to edit the form details. The final step is payment method selection. The available payment methods are also managed from the backend and may include PayPal, Stripe, WooCommerce payments, or direct bank transfer. Select your preferred payment method, enter the required details, and click Submit. After a successful payment, you will be redirected to a confirmation page showing that the voucher payment was successful, along with the voucher image. Thanks for watching.